Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Porsche Taycan door handle. First, you'll need to access the interior of the door. Carefully pry off the trim pieces around the door panel, starting from the bottom edge. Once the trim is loose, disconnect any electrical connectors you find. This provides clear access to the handle's internal components, which is crucial for the next steps. With the trim removed, proceed to take off the main door panel. There are typically several screws holding it in place, often hidden under caps. After unscrewing these, carefully lift and pull the panel away from the door frame, releasing it from its clips. This exposes the inner workings, allowing you to clearly see the handle's mounting points and wiring connections. Now, focus on the handle itself. You'll find two Torx bolts that secure the handle assembly to the door frame. Use the correct size Torx bit to carefully unscrew these. Once the bolts are out, gently pull the handle assembly away from the door. There will be one final electrical harness connected directly to the handle that needs to be disconnected before it can be fully removed. To reinstall the door handle, simply reverse the steps you just followed. Make sure all electrical connectors are firmly reattached, especially the main harness to the handle. Before fully reassembling the door panel and trim, it's essential to test the handle's operation. Check both the exterior and interior functions to ensure everything works correctly and smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.